Hello guys, welcome back to Inspire to DIY. In today's video, I'd like to share with you how I was able to use those tail lights from IKEA to create some candles. Stay tuned for the end result and let's get started. The first thing I did was to remove the labels on the back of each of them using my knife. It makes it a lot easier to peel off. Next, I'll be using this pitcher to put my wax in. I will be doing this freehand, but if you need to, you might want to actually measure the amount of wax that you will be needing for this project. So once I fully put the amount that I was satisfied with, I then next took my pitcher to my stove top and just let it sit at a very low volume until all the wax was fully melted. As the wax is getting melted, I then took my wicks and started gluing them at the bottom of each of the jars. Since the wicks were very long, I cut them to size and continued to glue them into each of the jars as followed. If you guys watching for the first time, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to our channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of our next projects. Now that the wax is melted, I took my coconut vanilla fragrance oil and put the desired amount to make sure that the whole candle is fully scented. I give it a good stir to ensure that the fragrance oil is diluted, and then I proceed to pour it into each of the jars. They have some items that can be used to help make it easier on pouring the wax into the candles, but since I believe I have a steady hand, so I took my shot by using the pitcher. You might all be wondering, why is she making so many candles? Is she going to sell them, or what are they for? Actually, I am creating some wedding favors, and once the candles are all fully set, I will share another video to where I actually make them into wedding favors. Although the step is very repetitive, but I did enjoy pouring my wax into each of the jar and actually watch them set. And just like that, I was able to create about 60 candles using this very simple technique. And by next video will be me sharing how I was able to turn them into wedding or even party favors. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.